Welcome to What We Want, a technology blog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 best software to unlock iPhone. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1 in the list, Wondershare Dr.Fone, Screen Unlock. Wondershare Dr.Fone, Screen Unlock is a powerful iPhone lock screen removal software with a bunch of features. Although the free trial is available, features are very limited for the potential user. So, I recommend to spend money on Dr.Fone, and it is a money-worth software. It performs the tasks at a higher speed with great accuracy. Highlights: a bit expensive software bundle but is effective. Unlock work can be done within minutes. It's a pack, so you can get more features. Documentation is provided along with free technical support. Compatible with all versions of iOS including iOS 13. It works well even after trying many attempts. Pricing: it only had a year license which starts from $49.95, and used on 1 to 5 mobile devices on one PC. Lifetime license starts from $59.95, and, on a business license, you can use on unlimited devices and starts from $399. Check description for special discount link. Number 2, iMyFone LockWiper. iMyFone LockWiper is well known for Android lock screen removal, but it is available also for iPhone. It removes the passcode from the disabled and broken screen. It does all kinds of activities including bypass screen code, Apple ID removal, and all. There is no change of locking out and it is reliable than any other. Importantly, it supports all iOS devices and versions. Features: everything is provided in the documentation, and no technical skills are required to bypass. This iPhone unlocks tool supports 4-digit, 6-digit passcode, Face ID, Touch ID, custom numeric codes, and more to wipe the passcode. The bypass can be done in 3 simple steps, such as install, connect the device, and choose the option to bypass and unlock it. The user interface is good and sleek. Erases screen time restriction, and data can be lost too. Pricing: 1-month plan. Charges $29.95, works on one iOS device. 1-year plan. Charges $39.95, works on one iOS device. Lifetime plan. Charges $59.95, works on 5 iOS devices. Check description for our special discount link. Number 3, Tenorshare 4U Key. Tenorshare 4U Key is one more popular software that is popular among Android, works for iPhone too. 4U Key is developed by Tenorshare. This is an ideal tool to unlock lock screen of iOS device. Features: can bypass 4 and 6 digital passcodes, custom numeric code, alphanumeric passcode. Supports removing Face ID and Touch ID as well. Bypass the MDM authentication screen with one click. A free trial version is available, so that one can test it out before buying the tool. 30 days money-back guarantee. Pricing: 1-month license. Starts from $29.95 and can be used on 1 to 5 devices. 1-year license. Starts at $39.95 and can be used on 1 to 5 devices. Lifetime license. Starts at $49.95. Number 4 inches Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker works well with all different scenarios such as broken mobiles, multiple tries, and forget the password. It's just a simple basic 3-step process that takes less than 3 minutes. Highlights: works with all latest iPhone models and versions. Able to remove 4 and 4-digit passcodes including custom passwords. Face lock and Apple ID can be bypassed. Install the software and connect the device. It automatically detects the model and version to provide options. Pricing: single license. Starts from $39.95, which includes lifetime support and updates. Family license. Starts from $59.95, can be used on 2 to 5 devices. Multi-user license. Starts from $49.95, can be used on 6 to 10 devices at a time. Check description for the special discount coupon link. Number 5 inches iSunshare. iSunshare is one of the best screen unlocking software for iOS users. It has all the required features and also available at affordable price. If you are tight in budget, then this will be a right choice for you. Highlights. Removes all types of lock screens in minutes. Removes screen restrictions from iPhone. Works fine with all versions including iOS 13. Possible to delete an Apple ID without a password. Pricing. Pricing of iSunshare starts at $19.95, which might be a great deal for the features it provides. iSunshine bundle plan starts at $69.95. Check description for the offer link. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.